This is the brand new Philips The One TV. This is a brand new model series 2023, and with this we want to go through the first installation with you. This time we got the brand new Philips TV. This is the model 8808. It is a brand new model series 2023, and with this we want to go through the first installation with you. A lot has changed here as far as the menu is concerned. Because Philips, like many other manufacturers, is now based on Google TV Android, i.e. as an operating system. First we start with the language. Here we select the desired language and confirm the whole thing with OK. Then you have to select the country and confirm again with OK. Now you have the option Google TV or Basic TV. I will now set up Basic TV here. Then you choose the WLAN you are connected to. As you can see here, our TV supports 2.4 GHz as well as 5 GHz. So select WLAN, confirm with OK, and now enter the password. Then you just have to click on this arrow here and then you will be connected to your WLAN here. So we are already at the next step. There are now the data protection explanations, the Google Play and much more. You click on More and Accept. There is also knowledge here, also here More and OK. Google Services. I turn off the location. I don't need that. Deactivate. And I don't want to send automatic error reports to Google either. Also deactivate these. I leave everything else and say Accept. And the coupling. So we now have to connect the remote control with our TV. To do this, hold down the back button and the home button for 3 seconds. And then we have coupled our remote control. Here the message appears, finished coupling, really done. Next we have to enter a youth protection pin. Choose 1. 4 times the 0 works just as little as 1, 2, 3, 4. So select a 4-digit code. Confirm this. Now in the next window, where would you like to use the TV? At home or in the shop? In my case, at home. Connection to the Philips Smart TV server is made. So you can already see how fast our TV works here. So really a very, very fast TV. Now we have to agree to the terms of use again, so accept and OK. Now I don't want to rely on statistics, of course. It's up to you, of course, whether you activate or accept the whole thing or not. I skipped the whole thing. Now you have the option of creating an email address here, so that you can connect your Philips with your email account here. I leave that all out and say skip. As I said, here you also have the option of doing this or not. Stay with you, skip. Next you will be asked which tuner you have. Do you have satellite, antenna or cable? I have an antenna here, so antenna. Now to start. Do I have terrestrial or do I have cable? I have cable, so I choose cable and OK. Now comes an important point. Here it is very important that you always tip to others. Because if you choose magenta, for example, as it is here with me, then you no longer have the option to sort the transmitters afterwards, because you install a pre-made channel list here. So to further. And now digital and analog or only digital. I only have digital, so only digital transmitters. And to start. In the next window you click here on skip. And now the transmitters are searched. Depending on which operator you have, it can take up to 10 or 15 minutes. We are done with the transmitter search and click on done. Internet services, i.e. HBB, the MediaTek, can be activated or deactivated here at the same time. I leave that on. Now you still have the option to make a quick setting. Otherwise on continue. End. And with that we have actually completed the first installation. Here is our new start screen. We didn't have that before. As I said, here we have a new start page. And in the next few days we will of course provide you with a lot of instructions. Do you have any questions? Then use the comment function. Subscribe to our channel, then you are up to date. Technic Bao says thank you for watching and goodbye.